Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi S1 3-door. The car's got the xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front headlight washer jets. 19-inch S1 alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior mirror housing. Privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards with the LED backlights and the chrome polished quad exhaust with the rear parking sensors, and the car is also winter ready with the quattro 4-wheel drive system. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the black leather on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, full BOSE surround sound with the S1 front sports seats with the S1 embossed logo in the leather with the red stitching, with the cloth inserts and a flat bottom multifunctional leather steering wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox with the air conditioning with Audi Drive Select and the technology pack with navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi S1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.